office where they have to print two different things. Like,
Yeah.
and then they have to be able to fit together.
Oh, wow.
And
Oh,
that's
okay, I got you. Right.
two
Yeah,
loops.
I see.
So you learn about software and how software's not precise.
Right.
And,
Yeah.
you know, the conversion to a mechanical, trying to mechanically print it. For example, I say, okay, imagine two pipes,
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
right? You can't have a pipe that's 2 inches of diameter and 2 inches diameter go together. One's got to be bigger than the other, and how much of a tolerance is there to be able to,
Right. Yeah.
how much error is really involved in it. So,
That's pretty awesome.
yeah. How's your nephew doing? What's his last name?
Collie.
Coley?
Yeah.
Okay. How's he doing? I don't,
He's in your class,
I
right?
know
He should be.
I know he's in your class, but I try to, you know.
No,
keep
he's doing
everybody the
well.
same.
He's
Okay.
doing good. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. I like that.
And the other thing I do is say, please make it less than 2 hours, because, you know, some of these big things could take 8 hours to print, and so.
That is pretty awesome.
Hello. How are you? Where are you supposed to be?
We're stuck in Mace today.
STEM Scouts are across the way. Are you helping the STEM Scouts, or are you helping the Slow Scouts?
Whatever the guidance counselor is.
That's either here or across the way.
Okay.
So there's like STEM Scouts and stuff.
That is pretty cool. I love how these things operate, man. It's amazing how they do this.
Okay.
We watch these things all day.
I don't
It's great.
know where it's supposed to be.
Thank you, though.
And you should have some time off this week, because they're all taking a test this week. That's why I haven't sent you. Okay.
Neat. I ain't gonna be here too much longer.
That's okay.
Just wanted to just kind of get
And
it.
see, what it does is, if you can imagine drawing something in 3 dimensions,
Right.
right, you create that in the software.
Right.
And then what this thing is like a giant glue gun, and what it does is it
Pretty much,
slices
yeah.
it, and so you're putting glue on specific.
And then it just as it's doing it, it like dries and then hardens,
Yeah,
right?
it's a giant glue gun.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. So I'm both like
Whatever
kind
you
of
want to do.
running.
If you want to leave them in the hood so we don't smell them, yeah, that's up to you. But that was what we thought yesterday. Exact opposite. Hey,
Yeah, it is very interesting.
There's one yesterday, Garrett's ice last year, and he's eating the talk about printing
And gravity. Like if you wanted to print something like this. Printing
And
it
this is the
way,
laser cutter,
Imagine a giant glue gun.
which
you
is
made a bit
pretty
of a
awesome
mess.
too. I like to see this in motion.
This way. But then you have issues with this. So, and the same thing here, you know, you can't really print it this
Now,
way.
what does this over here do? What is this?
That's
Is this
a,
another?
that cuts glass.
This
like
cuts glass.
Or plastic.
Oh wow, cuts.
Wood
Wow,
and
that's,
Do
plastic.
anything in them.
Yeah.
that's
and then
pretty awesome too.
This is.
And that's the laser
wood.
cutter.
Yeah.
You know, it's
I
funny.
just haven't had a chance to
We
get
got
it.
like a person had a thing, I guess.
That is pretty neat, man. All kinds of neat stuff in here. Technology is awesome.
I just, you know, they delivered them the day before school started, and I had to supply it as much as possible. So I'm still working on some of it.
This is all stuff that was already made, right? This is all stuff that was already made, right?
Yeah. Like this
Oh,
one
wow,
was a really
check this out.
interesting one, because this was kind of like a pivot almost. And then, but it popped together, so that was nice.
I can give you two more if you want. I can give Einstein if you want. I didn't think demon was an appropriate name to
Yeah, that's pretty cool. What is that?
Looks like an elephant.
It's an elephant.
Oh, yeah, check that out.
And see, the way it prints, that one's
They even
broken.
made like the thing.
Yeah, you can actually to where it moves, man. That's pretty cool.
Print it flat.
Right.
And then there's like one piece of plastic between the leg and the body, and I break it, and then the elephant will stand up.
Oh, wow, check that out.
So, these
pretty wicked, man. You can see it goes along, man. It's amazing how it. I gotta get me one of these. I'm not even kidding, man. I want one. My brother-in-law has one.
Yeah.
He actually ordered his from China. It's not closed in like these ones are.
Yeah.
It's just open.
Yeah.
But I mean, it gets the job done.
It's the level of precision. Like we have newer models in the other room that actually you get two colors.
Right, yeah.
Like two different colors come in, so you can make different pieces.
That's pretty cool, man. Is it almost time for lunch? You got the time? What is it? Where we at?
49.
10:49. All right. I gotta get ready to roll out. Go to lunch here.
That's neat though.
Huh? Yeah, it is. It's really cool. What is she going to get? She's going to get something else to sell? We gotta go to lunch.
So it'll just be a matter of time before we're buying them for our grandkids.
No, tell me about it. I know. They're awesome, aren't they? They're amazing, man.
Like,
She's got more stuff to show us.
Look, you can do two colors. And actually you can get, one of the colors can be water soluble. So you can, you know, that gravity thing I was telling you about?
Yeah.
You make a water soluble and then you make the solid inside the water soluble and then you put it in water and it washes away. And you're
Right, I
left
got
with
you,
just
yeah.
the inside.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's neat.
Yeah.
Crazy, man.
Fun stuff. Toys. You know what, I'm gonna put the bottle in that area.
All right, well.
Oh, my grandson.
You get ready, you get ready to head on up?
Yeah.
Time to go to lunch. All right, you ready? Get out of here, man. Where's is that? Come on, Bill, let's go. All right, we're out, you two. Peace.